How to fix your organization's data cannot be pasted here. Error in Excel. 1. Ensure that restrict, cut, copy, and paste between other apps is allowed in data transfer. Path, Microsoft Intune Dashboard Client Apps App Protection Policies. 2. Ensure the file is editable. Remove read-only mode or protected view, if needed. 3. Try a different file and see if it was a file-specific issue. 4. Check if you pasted the data into an empty file. 5. Check if you have permission to copy and paste the data. Take ownership if possible. 6. Never pasting the data into an exempt app. Path, Client Apps App Protection Policies. The policy lists data transfer. 7. Ask the policy administrator to remove the limit in place.